6 years ago today, I uploaded one of the most popular videos on my YouTube channel titled Comb Out Locks in 20 Minutes Without Cutting Your Hair. Since then, that video has gone on to receive over 1.2 million views, and over the last 6 years, I've been asked the same questions and seen the same comments thousands of times. So today, I thought I'd answer the most frequently asked questions all in one video. Now, one of the biggest issues people had with that video was the title, which I think has confused a lot of people over the years. Now, the title wasn't suggesting that I combed out an entire head of locks in 20 minutes. It was simply referring to one lock, not a full head. Now, my intention with this video was to show you that process with very few cuts or edits so you could see it for yourself. However, as I was editing the footage, I realized I hadn't actually recorded the entire process. But I know for a fact that I timed it while I was filming, but because a few minutes weren't captured, this footage isn't a complete representation of the full 20 minutes. Nonetheless, I still wanted to share it because I think it gives you a much better appreciation of just how slow, careful, and meticulous the process really is. And once you've seen the full process for just one lock, you'll understand why combing out an entire head can take many hours or even days or weeks depending on the hair. Now, in this video, you're going to see the process with very few cuts or edits. The only sections I've removed are the moments where I stepped away to tend to my children or when I was repositioning the camera. Other than that, what you see is the real process from start to finish. And hopefully, this finally answers the question about how long it actually took. Another question I get asked quite often is, how long did it take to comb out his entire head? Okay, so from the day I started to the day I finished, the entire process took 8 weeks. I started on the 11th of June 2020 and finished on the 6th of August 2020. Now, before anyone misunderstands that, I was not combing out his locks for 8 weeks straight. The 8 weeks refers to the overall timeline from the first lock to the last lock. So it's not 8 weeks of continuous combing because there were plenty of breaks in between. Firstly, my fingers needed the rest. After spending hours combing out locks, your hands and fingers really do start to ache. And secondly, I was in the middle of moving homes at the time, so naturally there were days and even longer periods where I wasn't working on his hair at all. Now, had I done it consistently over consecutive days, the total time would have been much shorter, but I wanted to pace myself, protect my hands, and work around everything else that I had going on at the time. So if you're planning to comb out your own locks or someone else's locks, don't put pressure on yourself to finish everything in a single weekend, okay? Take breaks when you need to. This is a marathon, not a sprint, and your fingers will definitely thank you for it. Which brings me to another question I get all the time. How much do you charge? And the truth is, I don't. I don't have a salon and I don't offer lock comb outs as a service. Because honestly, after combing out my own locks and later combing out my son's locks, I've realized just how physically demanding the process really is. Your fingers ache, your hands get tired, and it requires a huge amount of patience and consistency. So when you see someone charging hundreds of pounds or dollars to comb out locks, I completely understand why. Because you're not just paying for time. You're paying for patience, skill, endurance, and someone who's willing to spend hours, sometimes days, carefully preserving your hair instead of cutting it off. Now, the next question I get asked the most is, what conditioner did you use? And honestly, as I mentioned in the original video, the brand really isn't that important. People often think there's like a magic conditioner that makes the process easier. There isn't. The biggest thing is using a conditioner that gives your hair enough slip while helping to soften the shed hairs trapped inside the lock, because you'll be using a lot of conditioner throughout the process, and I actually recommend choosing an inexpensive conditioner rather than using an expensive one. It will do the job just fine. That said, since so many of you have been curious over the years, I'll also show you exactly which conditioner I used in the original video. Now, although you didn't see every single minute of the process, what you did see is a realistic representation of just how slow and meticulous combing out a single lock can be. Now, that particular lock took me around 20 minutes to complete. Now, imagine repeating that process across an entire head of locks. You're no longer talking about 1 or 2 hours. And depending on the size, thickness, and number of locks, you're talking about many hours, sometimes even multiple days or even weeks. Some locks take less time and some take longer. It all depends on how mature the lock is, how much product buildup there is, and the condition of the hair. And remember, my son's locks weren't particularly large or exceptionally long. Some people have much thicker, longer, or more mature locks, which can take considerably longer to comb out. And finally, although I don't provide lock comb outs as a service, I am passionate about teaching people how to care for their hair safely and confidently. That's why you'll find tutorials on this channel covering everything from combing out locks to understanding your hair, rebuilding healthy hair after damage, and maintaining long, healthy, natural hair. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you take a look around the channel. And if there are any other questions about the original comb out lock video that I haven't answered today, please leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.